Hey everyone, it's Sarah with the Dinner Bell, and I just wanted to make a quick video to show those who don't already have an account how to create an account on the website. So here I am at dinnerbellstl.com, right on the home page, and underneath customer login you're going to find a link that says create an account. You're going to click on that, and then here you have your user registration. So the first line here is for name. So this is your first and your last name. Now for the purposes of this video, I made an account with my mom's name so that we could show you how it's done. So first and last name, and you can make your username anything you like. So I'm just gonna go with that. Now the password can be something that is very easy for you to remember, and it shows you right up here that it needs to have at least 8 characters with at least 1 uppercase and at least 1 number. So, because I'm making a video and it doesn't really matter, we're gonna go with a quick fake password. Remember, 8 characters, at least 1 uppercase, and at least 1 number. Now for your email address, just make sure that it's an email that you have access to. And select register. Now after a second or two, it will say thank you for registering. You may now log in using the username and password. So now I can use the username and password that I put in earlier. Ta-da! So this is now my account. So now I am logged into the site and I am able to put in orders for to-goes, for sessions, or for anything else. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let us know, and if you like these how-to videos, please be sure to let us know that as well, because we can make these for just about everything. Like I said, thanks, have a great day.